This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Eric Segerstrom, bedroom BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019488296. Turnkey home in great spot. Walk to the lake. This home is move-in ready with vaulted, knotty pine ceilings, and an open floor plan. The main level living area features a propane heat stove surrounded by beautiful rock work. 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom round out the entry level. Upstairs is a massive loft for additional sleeping room, office space, or elevated living. Downstairs you'll find a large bonus room, spacious laundry room, and a shop storage area. Enjoy the outdoors with 2 brand new decks for year-round outdoor living. Plenty of flat parking with a loop driveway with minimal stairs for easy entry to the home. There is RV parking that is piped for hookups. Cystal Falls HOA includes access to 2 lakes, clubhouse, gym, and horse stables. This home has so many features at a great price. See it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Segerstrom, bedroom BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019488296 at 209-770-4246.